My name is Jonathon Dawes and I am the member of Welsh Youth Parliament for the Vale of Clwyd constituency. I stood to be the first member of Welsh Youth Parliament for the Vale of Clwyd constituency because I am absolutely committed to empowering young people and representing their views on the national stage on the issues that matter to them. As a Welsh Youth Parliament, we have three key priorities: litter and plastic waste, mental health and life skills in the curriculum. I am a member of the Life Skills in the Curriculum Committee following my maiden speech in the Senedd Chamber. The work we have done on this area has been absolutely incredible, working cohesively with the Minister for Education and Senedd members in putting recommendations together for the new curriculum in our Life Skills report. I have had so many incredible experiences as a Welsh Youth Parliament member, and narrowing it down to a couple is so difficult. But if I had to say, it's having the honour of representing my constituency in the Welsh Youth Parliament, also appearing in the 20 years of devolution debate representing the Life Skills Committee, and finally appearing as a panellist on ITV Sharp End. The first Welsh Youth Parliament has really set precedent for young people across Wales in driving change on the key issues that matter to them. To follow our work, visit our website and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. But the message I really want to hear home today is the registration to vote is now open for the 2021 Welsh Youth Parliament elections. Now is your opportunity to have your voice heard and elect the next set of Welsh Youth Parliament members representing you. So let's register your vote and have your say.